We now have this one back out from under the lamp. We were using the thicker resin for this one. A little bit uneven, as you can see there. That's probably due to my table, but I can rectify that. But yeah, it's got quite a nice height on there now, hasn't it? So I'm going to put a little bit more on there now. I'm looking to where it's a little bit uneven. I want a little bit more to go onto that side than the other side if I can. But I hope this has given you a bit of insight into doming and having a go and not being so worried about it. It's really quite nice. I find it quite therapeutic doing all of this. I could just keep layering and layering all day long. I could. That's the trouble. You do have to learn when to stop. It's like with all art. When is a piece finished? And remember, you know, your resin is a piece of art. You are creating a piece of art. Those little lines will disappear in a moment because the resin will just run into its own natural areas. It finds its own level. I'm probably repeating myself a bit here now. Right. I think this is going to be the last layer I'm putting on here. Just see a little bit more now with the lights just showing an area up. I do try to show warts and all in my videos. Everything doesn't always come out perfect. No matter how long you've been doing this for. I like it sometimes when something goes wrong because it's a nice way of being able to show you, share with you some tips and ideas of how to solve some of the problems that happen. Right, I think that will do. So I'm going to give that a blast with the torch. Be lost without that torch. This still got to go into the lamp, but I just want to show you, look, you can see really how raised that is now. So that's going to go under the light now. Right, this is back from under the lamp now. As you can see, that really is quite domed all around now. And I'm just going to tidy up the edges with a little bit of the runnier resin. So I'm just going to put a dab in the middle as usual. And I'm just going to come out to the edges. That should just run into all those little creases or rough areas that were left with the thicker resin, and it should just give it a nicer all-round finish. Yeah, I've got a little spill there, possibly. Yeah, I've got a little spill there. I'll wipe that away. with a wet wipe. That's fine. And I think I can see another little spill wanting to happen on that side. So I'm just gonna I think we're okay. I don't think it's gone over. So I'm going to get the torch onto that quickly now. Just to prevent it going over anywhere. That should do it. Yeah, let's tidy that right up now, all the way around those edges. That's just going to go under the lamp now, but yeah, I think we can call that done. That's fine. So carry on doming or layering, whatever you want to call it, and have fun. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.